Hi and welcome to Swedish Dennis. Today, as you can see, with the GLE400d Coupe. Looks interesting, right? Let's check it out. For all of you who want to see a little bit about the car, a little bit of driving, stay in this video. If you want to see the real in-depth video of this car, please click here on the link and you will get to it. And I will explain to you point by point about the car. So what we have here is of course the AMG style package. It's of course not a real AMG because it's a 400d, but it's at least the package. It has this AMG style air vents, it has the diamond grille, the 22-inch wheels, and in the back the air vents again, and the diffuser under the car, which is actually a fake diffuser, but still. You also get the fake exhaust pipes. In the door you have the nice looking Burmeister sound system. You have the controls for the right passenger seat if you want to change it. You have the air condition for the seats, which you can choose in 3 different positions. You have the seat heating, which is also in 3 different positions. So, as we sit inside the GLE Coupe, I will now show you all the features. Big screen. You just go to the styles and display settings, and then you can choose from classic, to the sport, to the progressive one, and in the new models you also have the understated. So this display you can use by touch, by the touchpad, or by the steering wheel's touchpad. So you have 3 different ways to use it. What you can also do is say, "Hi Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Show me the weather in Malmö."
Currently it is partly cloudy in Miami with a temperature of 29 degrees.
I wish I was in Miami. Here in the middle you have the cold and warm settings for the 2 temperature zones in the front. We have also temperature zones in the back. You have the Auto D Max, you have also the warning lights, the parking heater. Actually a really cool thing, I will try to show it to you. If I raise the temperature, the lighting goes red for a second. If I cool it, okay, now it's already in blue, it is blue. But if I raise it, it switches to red. What a nice gimmick. Here in the middle you actually have space, a lot of space. You can charge your phone here in the front, wireless. You have USB-C, 2 ports. You have the cigarette lighter, and then you have the chilled or warmed cup holders. Meaning, you put it in your bottle, you decide if you want to have it cold, and it will start cooling. In case you have your coffee there, you just switch to warm and it will heat up. I tried it, it is actually getting really cold and it's keeping your drink cold. In the different driving modes, actually the off-road mode will be that you have the highest ground clearance. When you go to the sport, you also feel the car goes really down. As you can see here on the right, if I now change the car suspension to, for example, off-road, you will see the car will go up. Here, of course, as I already told you, you have the nice new steering wheel, where you have the cruise control on the left, where you can set it, resume it. You also have, as you can see here, where you can choose how much distance the car should keep to the car driving in front of you. You also can set up the limiter or go to the menu. On the right side, you have the radio volume controls and the phone controls. And you can steer the right display with the touchpad here. So let's go into the trunk or the boot, depending on which country you are. It is electric. You open it with pressing the Mercedes star. It's quite big. You can do a lot of shopping with it. In the boot you have the steering for the tow bar. You have the closing and the closing and locking button. You have quite some nice space. You have some net there again, and quite a lot of space down here actually. Wow, a lot of space there. This actually you can also fold out if you want to have it the complete way, or put it in. Really nice. In the trunk you have also the lowering of the suspension in the back. For example, if you want to put something heavy in the trunk, you can always use this function to just lower the car in the back. You can also fold the seats, but then it's manually, since it's a coupe. Nice. Let's close it up. So, let's take the car for a ride. So as we drive on these nice roads here around actually Malmö, I really like the sound of the 6-cylinder engine. It's just like, listen to this. It just sounds badass. For diesel, of course. Yeah, let's do it down. Okay, yeah, it's the 400d. It is the power. Wow, it pushes you really nicely into the seats. That's the power of the turbo diesel. It's nice. It's really nice. 50 so. Completely honest, this car is also really nice to cruise with. It's like this, yeah, cruising around, cruising along the streets. Wow. Yeah, it's really nice. It doesn't feel like you're driving with speed. I'm now driving 70 kilometers an hour, but you don't feel it. So you always try to drive faster, or you think at least you can drive faster. But I just love the sound. So the cruise control is actually like, it's not the final stage. Meaning, if I now put on the cruise control on the speed limit. So I put the cruise control now on the speed limit. I see a green steering wheel here, and I can actually take my hands off the wheel. Of course, you always need to be prepared to take over from the car. But for example, after 15 seconds, the car starts to show, oh, touch the steering wheel, you touch the steering wheel, and you can let go again. The car is driving itself. Completely honest, 10 years ago, when I was driving on vacation, I was like, you had the cruise control, of course, but you still had to drive and do all of this. How cool is it now? Actually, the car is driving itself. It's like, for me, it's like a really cool thing. I don't know about you guys. This only works, of course, if it's motorway driving or on the normal road outside of town, because the car, of course, doesn't turn for you or this kind of things. It just changes lines, for example, as soon as there is a car, but you have to indicate it. So it's not that the car says, oh, there's a car, goes to the left lane, takes over the car, and goes back into the right lane. That the autopilot or the driving assistance is not doing yet. Of course, this is just a taste of what we are going to have in the future. In the future, I think the car is going to drive on autopilot. The car is going to take care of the driving situation. The driver is not going to be needed to do anything anymore. So it's, I would say it's really like a first step into the automated future. This is it. This is the end for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget that, so I can make many more videos for you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.